Daily Object Mastery, your guide to describing everyday objects. Hello learners, and welcome back to another session of enriching your English language skills. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that will help you interact better with your environment, describing common objects in daily life. Mastering this will help you engage more confidently in day-to-day conversations. Let's begin with some common objects that you see every day in your home. Furniture. These are the large objects in our homes that make it functional and comfortable. This category includes tables, chairs, beds, couches, and wardrobes. For example, I am sitting on a comfortable couch. Appliances. These are the machines we use at home to make life easier. Examples include a refrigerator, washing machine, oven, microwave, and vacuum cleaner. For instance, I am cooking dinner in the oven. Personal items. These are smaller objects that we often carry with us or use personally, such as a cell phone, laptop, wallet, keys, or glasses. For example, I can't find my keys. Now let's move to the workspace. Here are some objects commonly found in an office setting. Electronics. Most modern workplaces use a variety of electronic devices. These include computers, printers, scanners, projectors, and photocopiers. For example, could you please hand me the projector remote? Stationery. These are the materials we use for writing or paperwork. Think of pens, notebooks, staplers, hole punches, and sticky notes. For instance, I need to buy more sticky notes. Furniture. Office furniture may include items like desks, chairs, filing cabinets, or bookshelves. For instance, I keep all my documents in the filing cabinet. Finally, let's discuss some objects we often encounter in the outdoors. Vehicles. When we're out and about, we see all sorts of vehicles such as cars, buses, bikes, trucks, or scooters. For instance, I ride my bike to work every day. Street furniture. This refers to objects that are part of the outdoor environment, like benches, street lamps, trash cans, or bus stops. For example, I am waiting at the bus stop. Natural elements. These are elements we find in nature like trees, flowers, rivers, mountains, or rocks. For example, I love the smell of these flowers. And that wraps up our session on describing common objects in daily life. By learning these basic vocabulary words, you can enrich your everyday conversations and be more specific when discussing your surroundings. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these words as much as possible in your everyday conversations. Happy learning!